fans, welcome back to another episode of hashtag sharing is caring with me, Leo Idira Kamau, and I'm here back again with another interesting and informative video, which is about
an extension cable.
My kitchen usually has one socket,
A cooker socket, hence no other power source for my other kitchen appliances, which include
my fridge, my microwave, and my electric jug. So I had to go look for an extension cable that I could be able to plug in all of them.
I settled for Custom Extension, which has been doing an amazing job, and so I thought I should share. Custom Extension has 5 ports, which are also easy for 2-pin plug. Cable is long enough because as for me, I had to get an extension that I could plug in my living room. My living room has 2 sockets. It has a fused 13 AMP plug, and the most amazing part is that it's suitable for all appliances up to and including 13 AMP. Custom extension is affordable. I got mine from King's Choice Electronics in Olkalau for 1,000 Kenyan shillings. I have been using Custom extension for a while now, and I can recommend. This is how I plugged in my appliances. For my fridge, I first plugged the fridge guard, then the fridge plug. In the middle is my microwave. And lastly, the last plug is for my electric jug. Thank you for supporting this channel by clicking to watch. To continue supporting this channel even more, you can like, share, comment, and above all, subscribe. And to get the latest of our videos, you turn on the notification bell so that every time we upload a video for you, you get notified. So let's do this together. To subscribe, click subscribe just below the video on your right, written in red. It will change from red to gray and indicate subscribed. To turn on the notification bell, click on the bell still on your right, then choose your preferred notifications. To comment, click on the part written comments. To like the video, click on such a sign just below the video. To share, click on such a sign indicated share, then choose through which platform you want to share.
Thank you so much guys for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, share, and even comment.